Keep drawing more detail. Swirling texture on the back reminds me of rhino and elephant. It surely reminds me of Todd too. There is also wrinkle between neck and body, right from the back to the top of the leg. They are bigger and deeper than the wrinkle between leg and the body. You'd better put more strength on drawing this. This is what I said about reality. The creature looked giant like an elephant but with swirling texture like a Todd has. Wrinkles also appear on the neck because when the creature turns its head, it pulls the muscle and the skin, and the neck becomes twist. Finally, wrinkle is formed and sinks even the monster do not turn its head. So just like the wrinkle is wrapped around the cylinder form of the neck. Okay, check what we have missed here.